Can you take a journey with me? Close your eyes for a second. Where were you when the forest fires in California happened? What about the floods in Texas? Or even Hurricane Katrina? Keep your eyes closed. Tell me, how did that make you feel to watch that on the news? Now open your eyes. For us, it made us feel devastated. We always wanted to know, what did it mean and how could we build back better after all these natural disasters? Here comes the creation of Mobu Enterprises, and I'm Jessica Lewis. I'm co-owner of it. We build residential and commercial structures out of shipping containers. Now, we started this journey because we was watching things on TV and just wanted to understand, how do you recover from something like that? But more importantly, in a more current day and time that happens on a daily basis, how can a landlord be comfortable with allowing their customer to live in mold-infested water and just nasty accommodations? Again, the shipping container in my world is the answer to everything.